Hello, this is Mrs. Chidley. I wanted to go over with you your drug card assignment for this week. The reason that we are having you do this assignment is next semester in Junior 1, you will be pre-assessing a patient each week for your practicum assignment. Part of that pre-assessment is to look up all of the patient's medications and create these drug cards. This can be a bit of a time-consuming task if you are not familiar with the process. We wanted to go ahead and let you practice this process now. So we're going to go into your week. There may be some things missing from this because I'm recording this a couple weeks ahead, but this is your full assignment for this is present. So this is the document that you are going to be working with. So we have our medication classifications, actions, uses, route and dosage, and usual dosage, adverse effects, side effects, and nursing implications. So you'll put your medication's name here and the classification and follow through across. So I wanted to give you just a quick example of what that looks like. So what I've pulled up here, let me get it into the screen. Let's see, let me see if I can make this screen, there we go, is lisinopril. So lisinopril, the therapeutic class is antihypertensive. Go down a page, here we go. Tells you some available forms. Here's indications and dosage. Administration. Sorry, I'm doing it this way because the book was very hard to see when I held it up with the webcam. So some of the adverse reactions, and let me say here, you'll notice that there are a lot of adverse reactions, interactions, side effects when you look these up in your book. I'm not sure why there were so few just now. But when you look this up in your book, it's going to be a good page of side effects and such. You need to pick which ones are unique for this medication, are the most important. Any patient can have an anaphylactic reaction to any medication. So you need to pick the ones that are important for us to know about with this medication specifically. And then you have your nursing considerations. So if a patient has had an acute MI, they need to make sure that they are having other forms of therapy as well. There are thrombolytics, aspirins, and beta blockers. We're going to monitor the blood pressure. So what you might put under your nursing implications is that you're going to watch for the signs of low blood pressure. And so you would list those signs out because possibly this patient is on a dose that is too high for them, or it may just work too well in their system, or something, they could have signs of low blood pressure. So that would be a nursing implication. You're going to watch out for low blood pressure, and you can look and see other things that you may watch out for as a nurse, things you're going to assess, therapeutic interventions that you're going to do to help them. I hope that this was helpful in understanding our assignment with the drug cards. If you have any questions about this assignment or any other one, please go ahead and ask them in the Ask the Faculty discussion board so that everyone gets the benefit of hearing the answers. And we look forward to hearing from you and helping you with any questions that you might have, and excited to give you the opportunity to practice this before next semester. If you need anything at all, please reach out to your faculty. As always, we are here for you. Thanks. Bye.